Yo, welcome back to the BST4 channel. Wing, that's what's going on. What's happening, man? Listen, thank you guys for checking out the video. Do appreciate all you new guys and your new subscribers, man. Thank you guys so much for even checking out the channel, man. It means a lot. Trust and believe me. So we are here at the Ford. Well, a Ford, not the Ford, but a Ford. Really cool truck, man. He's not here at the moment, but you know, I'm not gonna go up in his car and check it all out, but we'll go around it and really look at it. It's a really cool ride. I don't know what year this thing is, but it's cool as heck. I mean, down to the inside, old school all the way, man. You gotta respect that. But nevertheless, we're not here about this. We're here about this right here, my new 1994 F150 XLT. All right, so this one here is a pretty cool truck. It has issues. Like anything else I buy on this channel, it has issues. I just can't jump into something and just be like, all right, it's a good truck, it's a good buy. No, but let's go ahead and check out the truck. All in all, it is a pretty cool truck. Rust. Typical rust spot, but in the doors we don't have any rust. Here you see that it got rust. I'm gonna try to figure out how to do that somehow, or leave it like that, either or. But again, typical rust issues. Or just go pick up a bed at the junkyard that I go to, and while I'm at it, get a bumper because it is rusted out all the way. Holes inside the bed. They even try to repair this side here. Now you go underneath the frame. Yes, you see the frame rust there. The shackles are good, thank goodness, right? I think they're good. Yeah, they're pretty good. Would I tow with this? Nope. It's good to pick up some engines and move a little bit of junk around, and everything will be just dandy on that level. Now, doors and everything are pretty daggone good, sturdy. That's a good thing. Thank goodness for that. And the car starts up on a dime. It's working. Now, when you go here, right, you can see this frame here. See how it's a little cockeyed. You probably can't see it. And you see that this one here, straight like an arrow. That's part of the issue. Now, he changed all the steel braided lines here, which is good. Steel braided lines all through the car. All the brake lines are good to go. It's the frame. The typical areas of where it rusts is right here. This is the area that we got to address and figure this whole thing out. So, you know, we just got to go underneath here and really see what is going on. So that's the scary part. Now, let me show you what is going on. You guys are going to freak out when you see it. Alright, we got the truck home, man. To recap what's going on and what was new on this truck, we've gotten new brake lines, trans line, and gas line. Then also too, he has changed these hubs right here. These actually work and turn. Man, these this is very rare. He said he changed these new, as you can see, new. Now, all we have to do is figure out that frame. Give me 4 to 5 days to kind of figure that stuff out, man. And we can get right to this truck, because that's my main focus, to get that frame right. And I want to get it right the first time. Not weld brakes. I want to get it right the first time. So I got to sit down, gather up some ideas. Maybe you guys can comment below right here on how to tackle this, or some of you guys may say just throw it in the garbage, and I can understand that and I can respect that. But we're going to try to make this thing work. For $300, how can you go wrong? You know what I mean? $300, 79K on the dash. look, many new parts. We just have to figure this thing out, man. So, man, thank you guys for watching this episode of Build Something TV. Hope you guys were enlightened in some kind of way, man. And please check out the other videos. And thank you so much for supporting and checking out the channel, man. Thank you so much, man. See you next time where we're going to be welding up this thing here, man. All right? Later.